Hi guys, in this video we will do a low maintenance style aquascape in an Aquatlantis Volga 450. Because the customer requested sand as a top layer, we need a good nutritious substrate to allow the plants to grow well. For this we will be using Sera Floredepot. We spread the layer Floredepot evenly using a flattener so it sits about 1 cm thick throughout the aquarium. The sand is rinsed beforehand so we can almost completely eliminate the cloudy water when starting up the tank. Rinsing a substrate can sometimes be a tedious task and take multiple washes. We suggest to do as many as necessary to avoid problems afterwards. Clean the glass using a bit of water to make sure that all the sand is washed away and you don't risk scratching it if you happen to touch the glass while placing the hardscape. We had already arranged and discussed the hardscape in the shop with the customer. That way we could pre-soak all the wood and start setting it up once it stayed submerged. To hold the wood together, we use some paper towel and a bit of liquid cyanoacrylate superglue. This will become rock hard and bonds the two pieces together. It is totally fish and shrimp safe. Just make sure you ventilate the room well and avoid breathing in any minor fumes. Use enough glue so that the entire wad of tissues is fully saturated. In the background, we are using multiple big Echinodorus argentinensis to build some instant height, whereas in the foreground we will be placing a lot of Lilaeopsis mauritiana and Cryptocoryne walkeri to make a smooth transition between the sand and the hardscape. On the wood, we glue all sorts of epiphytes, like Microsorum latifolia, Bolbitis hudelotti, and a range of different Anubia species. When gluing epiphytes, you can apply the glue to the roots of the plant and push the roots against the hardscape. You will need to hold them down long enough until you feel like they are actually sticking to the wood. We will use Pogostemon erectus as our stem plant. We would recommend to always use some type of fast growing plants, especially when starting a fresh tank. They will make it harder for algae to thrive. You also need to keep your plants moist during the entire installation, regularly spraying with water if necessary, if it takes a long time to plant everything. As you can see, we also glued some Bucephalandra and moss onto the wood. Once it starts growing well, it will give everything a very natural look. Plant everything densely from the beginning. This will ensure that your aquarium performs much better during the startup phase. It's a mistake we also used to make, which often allowed algae to take over. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you would like to see some more videos like this. If you have any questions, just place them in the comments.